Maybe Doe here with another YouTube video. What? I know I'm doing a video with my voice. But anyways, here we go. Okay, there's no umbrella. I know there's a coin right there. I just gotta check real quick. Hello, friend. Come on. How did he die? Okay, let's go. How are people dying? Oh, there's an umbrella right there. Come on, come on, I have to get it. I have to get to it. Let's go! Let's go! I got an umbrella. And I'll take less house when I get the baskets. Oh, frog! Kermit! 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 Yeah, let's go! No, Kermit, where are you going? Wait, where's my friend? Open. Thanks. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yummity, yum. It's Kermit. Let's go meet your friend. Right, your other, no, not friend, crew member. Kermit, get over here. You want this? Here. Go take it. Go take it. Go take it. Hurry. Yes, you got it. Come on. Oh. Kids. Yeah. What's the lyrics of the song again? Also, okay. The cave is that way. Come on. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. We made it. Anyways, I wanted to say something earlier. This video might take so long to edit, as I am recording this on July 2nd, I think, yeah. I guess they want me to get the, yep. I didn't mean to put caps in it. Wait, it's not even raining in here. Yeah, might as well. Okay. Ah! You'll go find food. Okay. you're on your own for that. No, no. Also, get this shirt. It's 5 Robux. Celebrate my 3-year anniversary. And it's out for a long time. Like a long, long time. See ya. No, 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 I didn't mean to. Okay. Wait, what did that say? I forgot. I got my trainer down. You guys could read it. Okay. Let's go explore more. I feel like interesting. I'ma go. Wait, where's the cave? That way. Okay. Damn, we forgot the picnic basket. Oh no. Um. Okay. I'll go. Wish me luck. See ya. Gosh. They really sent me out on my own. It's very rainy. There it is. Come on, I can do it. I can do it. Let's go. Come on. Cave. I need to hurry before I get to yellow. I used to play this game a lot. Now that I don't have the lucky coin, I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat my s'more instead. I can't imagine if I die. I probably will. Just because I'm eating a s'more. No! Damn. That's sad. Well, I get to eat his corpse. No, wait, YouTube, don't take me down for that. Okay. It's already loose. Kinda. You could kinda see. No, that's. Oh. Mm. Which one should I take? Right? Oh! I live! Let's see what they choose. Good job! Oh my freaking god. You guys lived. Good job. Oh, it's the maze. It's the maze. Yep. Be careful. Yes! Oh my gosh. Good job. Okay, sorry. We're gonna continue on now. Let's hope I don't get trapped. Because that... Does that mean I'm the killer if I'm trapped? He's still alive! Damn, they really have to block this off. Where do these bloody steps take us? Oh. Why is it black? That's so sad. I wish this tent was still available. Well, yeah, that's one way to say it. I want it to be more... Can I say dead? I don't know. Okay. Night is approaching. You guys, I hope I don't get kidnapped. Dang. It's fading in. Oh, it's the blonde guy. Oh no. so bad at finding people. Sorry for being so silent. um, we need this person alive. Oh, there you. Yeah, we found you. Oh, but I wouldn't know. So, come on, let's go. Get in here. Come on. No problem, dude. That's that's sad, actually. Oh my god. You're gonna have to run. Okay. This way. Let's go. And I'm the only one who's technically half health. Now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Which means the last time you'll ever hear my voice in this video.